Hello friends, welcome to VTish Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to discuss some important topics on cross product. So first we are going to discuss about right hand system. Let us consider a three-dimensional rectangular coordinate system, and here A, B and C are the points on the x, y and z axis. Now let us consider the length of the vector OA as A bar, OB as B bar, and similarly the length of the vector OC is C bar. And here, observing from the point C, if the angle of rotation in the clockwise direction of OA and OB does not exceed 180, that is, the value of theta is less than 180 degrees, then the vector triad ABC is said to be a right-handed triad or right-handed system. And make a note that if ABC is not a right-handed triad, then it is said to be a left-handed triad. And then if ABC is a right-handed system, then the triads BCA and CAB also forms the right-handed systems. And if ABC is a right-handed triad and they are mutually perpendicular to each other, then ABC is called as a orthogonal triad. And now let us say if A, J and K form a right-handed system of orthogonal triad, and if A bar is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K and B bar is equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K, and we can find the value of A bar cross B bar by finding the modulus of IJK. So we write here the coefficients of A bar and B bar, which are A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3. And now let us prove a small theorem over here. So this statement is, if A bar and B bar are the two non-zero vectors, then sin theta is equal to mod A bar cross B bar divided by mod A bar into mod B bar. So in order to prove this theorem, first let us consider the angle between A bar and B bar is equal to theta. So in our previous video, we have already discussed the formula of mod A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sine of angle between A bar and B bar into n, and where n is a unit vector. So as here the value of n cap is equal to 1, this formula would come as mod A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sine of angle between A bar and B bar. So this would come as mod A bar into mod B bar into sine of the angle between A bar and B bar, which is theta. So let us write over here sin theta. Now let us transfer mod A bar into mod B bar to the other side. So we get here the formula for sin theta, which is mod A bar cross B bar divided by mod A bar into mod B bar. And also make a note that if A bar is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K and B bar is equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K, then A bar and B bar are said to be parallel. Then A bar and B bar are said to be parallel, or A bar and B bar are collinear, then the condition is A1 divided by B1 is equal to A2 divided by B2 is equal to A3 divided by B3. So make a note of these two formulas, as they are very important formulas which helps us to solve examples in our upcoming videos. So this was a basic introduction on cross product. In our next videos, we are going to solve few more examples under the same concept. So stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.